가까이 cold blood yeah. 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 기출들 꿈에도 I wasn't aware 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게
Hello, it's Faye. Whoa. Hey, it's Faye. This has been a crazy ride, alrighty? I've been using this hot fat burner slim cream for about 3 weeks on and off, and I don't know why I keep falling for these Amazon products like a dummy. Okay. They're just so interesting and come on. Belly fat burner? How are you not intrigued when you clearly know it's not gonna work? Faye. But hey, what if it did? I don't know. Guess you have to wait and see. So this is a thermal active serum, more like moisturizer or cream, that perfectly shapes the waist, buttocks, and abdomen. Lucky for you, I spared you with no buttocks rubbing footage. I hope that helps. Not only are we burning your fat away, we are reducing cellulite by eliminating excess fatty tissues through the penetration of your pores. Their words, not mine. This slim cream attempts to be hydrating and moisturizing for your skin, making it easier to absorb. The slim sensation has great effect on your waist, legs, arms, and firming your belly. The whole point this burner cream is trying to say in 19 different languages is that it'll rid any unwanted fat on areas of treatment like your waist, legs, arms, and venter, aka the womb of a child, your belly, abdomen. Odd word choice, yes, I must agree. Now, before I get into my little experience, 4 things I want you to hear out that this brand is trying really hard to sell to dummies like you and me. 1. Anti-cellulite treatment. It breaks down fat cells, apparently. 2. Muscle relaxation. Relieves muscle tightness and can fight excess fat while at it. 3. Firming skin. Not only does this cream help you lose weight, it shapes a nice and attractive body. Lastly, massage cream. Smear this and it'll help your muscles relax, firm up, slam down, whatever it is. LOL. This burns. It will burn. Admittedly, the texture of this product is lighter and on the watery side, so I do understand why they would want to market this as super moisturizing and hydrating for your skin. The texture, however, is a cream, not a gel formula. Just saying, because at one point or another on their Amazon page, they claim this formulated as a gel formula, which can be quite deceiving. Pages like these tend to use all the keywords they can find in word vomit in hopes to sound smart and convincing to attract you. I mean, the tactic works, but I have one brain cell left to spare, so please. I do believe this product is meant to sting and burn, as this product is called a burner for a reason, but I'm a bit distraught because on the page it literally says caution. Although rare, burning or irritation may occur. Oh no, it's not rare. Let me tell you up front, it happens almost every time, if not every time. But perhaps I'm confusing it with the heat, so it's up to you to differentiate depending on your reaction. Hello? The directions state that you're supposed to apply this before you work out and after you shower. After 15 minutes, you should feel the heat building up as a sign that it's working. For me personally, I didn't really care about applying it routinely within my workout and shower time zones. I would apply it more so in the morning after I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then sometimes at night after I've showered before bed. A couple times I did apply it before my long walks, but I didn't really notice a difference. My sweat levels would be the same with or without the product. They target you to apply this before you work out so you can feel the burn as it heats up, which then makes you sweat more, making you believe that yes, you are losing weight, you're burning the fat away. I think it's the same concept of using a waist trainer, except a waist trainer may have better impact than this. Point is, just like a waist trainer, this cream psychologically makes you believe that it's eating away your fat, when in reality, it doesn't work that way. Again, I was a bit on and off throughout the weeks of usage because sometimes I simply just didn't want to. Why? Let me tell you why. First off, in correction, it doesn't take 15 minutes for you to start feeling the heat. Temperature wise, a couple minutes in and it works fine. I guess it depends too. It's never consistent. That's one thing you gotta know. You just feel warm within that area as the heat's activating. However, the worst it can get, which I did experience, is probably feeling as if you're being pricked by pins and needles. At least for me in the beginning, earlier on, I felt like I was being poked by a bunch of thumbtacks because I wasn't used to it, and maybe because I actually applied way too many layers within a span of minutes. My mistake, I guess. It's not like the more you put on, the more weight you lose. Stupid. Times I felt the pins and needles, and then other times I felt nothing. Again, inconsistency. Except, almost always, it was so itchy. I did not like how irritated my skin was, and at times it was a bit weird because even when I just applied it to my belly area or even just a bit over my belly button, my under boobs felt like they caught on fire. I felt raging under my tater tots. I don't know if it's because the skin there is way more sensitive and delicate. It almost feels like I can feel it crawling up. Even though, again, I did not apply it underneath the twins. Picture it as if bugs suddenly pinched you. The instant itch. It was that kind of reaction. There is a tingliness and where to say but rawness. You know when you itch yourself for quite some time and you feel extremely raw afterward? That's literally it. Again, I do not apply it under my chesty besties solely because of this specific spot irritation. So I do recommend you to just really hyper focus on the area you want to apply this in and wash your hands immediately, because if this got on your lips or in your eyes, you're screwed. Overall, the 3 things that you're gonna deal and feel. 1. Minor burning or the heat, temperature-wise. 2. Stinging like pins and needles. 3. Itchiness. Lots and lots of itchiness. It usually stops within a couple minutes or when your skin feels really raw and it hurts from all the scratching. So, just to throw the ingredients out there, this product advertises how easy, mild, and safe it is by containing mostly plant ingredients with carnitine, also known as L-carnitine. Now, it's given off the interwebs that carnitine and carnitine creams, such as this fat burner, quote, is an amino acid-derived building block for proteins that assist with the breakdown of fats and lipids, unquote. So, I guess it's not all a scam. I think this product holds some truth to it, as it includes this active ingredient that's very common in weight loss products, non-topical and topical. This product does claim that there are no harsh chemicals and mainly made with natural ingredients to add to what I just shared, even though it doesn't smell like it's natural. Included are antioxidants and vitamin A, E, D, as it's highlighted. In terms of results, nada, nothing. I'm standing at the same weight, same size, same shape, same image, on top of bloating this week. In my defense, I have not been on a strict clean diet due to all the festivities my weekends have been hosting. I've been enjoying the freedom of eating whatever I want, whenever I want, which is a great attitude, but dang, the consequences my body and my skin's taken. In addition, I haven't been working out at all, like barely. I go on my walks as much as possible and try to be more active on the weekends, but during the weekday, I've been busy, okay? I've been sitting in my office, legs crisscross applesauce. So this is just me saying maybe that didn't help the cream burn fat in its best potential, if we even want to give it that. All in all, don't buy into these fat burner products too much. It's just like any product you see on the market right now. Sure, it can probably help enhance your journey with a lot of placebo effects in mind, but for the most part, we know the best and the healthiest way to lose weight is to be mindful about what you're eating and working out, and it can be as simple as just a daily walk, hitting 10K steps, and staying consistent. You're not alone, girl. I've been lazy as fuck too. The product is linked down below if you want to dig your nose into it, but truly, I don't think it's worth your coin. Until the next weird weight loss gimmick video, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't